Interesting fact. Did you know that if you were to stretch out your blood vessel system, it would extend over 60,000 miles, and that laughing is good for your heart? It reduces stress and gives a boost to your immune system. For more interesting facts, continue watching to the end. 12 essential foods that keep your heart and blood vessels healthy. Have you been thinking about changing your heart-healthy diet or trying to consume more heart-healthy foods? Are you sometimes suffering from shortness of breath and need to consume more heart-healthy meals? If the answer is yes, you are one of billions of people worldwide who decided to make serious lifestyle changes to live a healthier, longer life for themselves and their families. In this video, we will discuss the essential foods that keep your heart and blood vessels healthy. In addition, watch to the end as we will discuss the symptoms of clogged arteries to assist you to lead a healthier lifestyle. Interesting fact. Did you know that depression is hard on the heart? Heart attack risk is increased by depression, especially in women. Women under 55 who experience moderate or severe depression are more than twice as likely to require an artery opening procedure, suffer a heart attack, or die of heart disease. In contradiction to this, positivity is good for your heart. It has been demonstrated that experiencing a strong sense of emotional vigor and general happiness lowers your risk of heart disease. Did you know that 1 in 4 deaths in USA is linked to heart disease? For more interesting or scary facts, continue watching to the next interesting fact. Please note this video is for educational purposes and must not be perceived as medical advice. Please refer any medical questions to your medical professional. Natalie's story, based on a true story.
I went to the doctor for something minor, and the GP happened to notice I had a heart murmur. He referred me to a cardiologist, and they found a hole in my heart about the size of a 50-cent piece. Within weeks I was having open heart surgery. When they first gave me the diagnosis, I thought I must have heard wrong. It was impossible that I could have that kind of problem when I was only 18. But by the time they found my heart defect, it had already begun to enlarge my heart.
Does Natalie recover? Were there any more complications? Watch to the end for the conclusion. Symptoms of clogged arteries. Atherosclerosis, which causes clogged arteries, occurs over time as plaques made of lipids, minerals, cholesterol, and other substances accumulate inside the walls of your arteries. The lumens, or inner tunnels, of the arteries shrink and constrict as a result of these buildups. The location of the blockage and the area of your body that has less blood flow will affect your symptoms. Symptoms of blocked or clogged arteries can include fatigue, dizziness, shortness of breath, chest pain, lower back pain, cold hands or feet, pain or numbness in your legs, hands or feet, discoloration of the skin in the affected area, hair loss, decreased or absent pulses, especially in the feet, and sores or ulcers that won't heal. Please subscribe and click the like button so we can make more videos to share with you. Now that we have mentioned the symptoms of clogged arteries, let's discuss the foods that keep your heart and blood vessels healthy. Red wine. If you consume alcohol, even a little red wine can be good for your heart. Red wine contains 2 antioxidants, resveratrol and catechins, which may protect the arterial walls. Additionally, alcohol can increase HDL, the good cholesterol, Please note, alcohol abuse damages the heart. Never consume more than 1 drink for ladies or 2 for men each day. It is best to first speak with your doctor. People who use aspirin and other drugs may experience issues after consuming alcohol. Olive oil. This oil is a healthy fat made from smashed olives. It's rich in heart-healthy antioxidants. They may protect your blood vessels. When olive oil replaces saturated fat, like butter, it can help lower cholesterol levels. Try it on salads and cooked veggies or with bread. Green vegetables. The high nitrate content of leafy green vegetables helps control blood pressure. Consuming at least 1 cup of green leafy vegetables each day may help lower blood pressure and lower the chance of developing cardiovascular disease, according to some research. Leafy greens include, for instance, cabbage, kale, mustard greens, spinach, and Swedish chard. Interesting fact. Did you know heart disease is the leading cause of death for men and women in the United States? Also known as the silent killer, cardiovascular disease tends to have no warning signs or symptoms before experiencing a cardiac event like a heart attack or stroke. Some additional statistics on how heart disease affects the American public include: 1 in 4 deaths in the United States is a result of heart disease. 1 person dies every 36 seconds from heart disease. Coronary heart disease is the most common form of heart disease, and over 800,000 Americans have a heart attack each year. Did you know that excessive sitting increases your risk for heart disease? For more information on this, watch to the next interesting fact. Now, let's continue with the foods that keep your heart and blood vessels healthy. Yogurt. Yogurt is fermented dairy food. Data from people with and without high blood pressure were compared in a study from 2021 to see if there was a correlation between fermented dairy products and hypertension. The participants with high blood pressure who ate more yogurt had reduced systolic and arterial blood pressure compared to the non-participants. Citrus fruits. Hesperidin, an antioxidant found in citrus fruits, may be good for heart health. In a 2021 trial, 159 participants drank 500 milliliters of orange juice enhanced with hesperidin, or a controlled drink every day for 12 weeks. According to the findings, hesperidin plays a role in the lowering of systolic blood pressure. That can be achieved by frequently consuming orange juice. Please note, a medium orange has about 62 calories and 3 grams of fiber. Please remember to subscribe, share, and click the like button so we can make more videos for you. Oatmeal. A warm bowl of oatmeal fills you up for hours and helps keep blood sugar levels stable over time, making it useful for people with diabetes as well. Oats fiber can help your heart by lowering bad cholesterol. Best results come from using steel-cut or slow-cooked oats. Interesting fact. Did you know that excessive sitting increases your risk for heart disease? While it's perfectly normal to spend your free time lounging and relaxing every now and then, leading a sedentary lifestyle can significantly increase your risk of developing heart disease. In fact, inactivity increases your risk for developing coronary heart disease at a similar rate of smoking, having high blood pressure, and having high cholesterol. Did you know that the most heart attacks occur on Christmas Day? For more information on this, watch to the next interesting fact. Now, let's continue with the foods that keep your heart and blood vessels healthy. Oily fish. According to the AHA, eating 2 servings of oily fish, each weighing 3 ounces per week, may reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Consuming oily fish may also help decrease blood pressure, according to research. In 2016, after taking 0.7 grams of eicosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid fish oil supplements daily for 8 weeks, patients with high systolic blood pressure experienced considerable reductions in their results. Here are some examples of oily fish: anchovies, sardines, mackerel, and tuna. Dark chocolate. Flavonoids, an antioxidant, are found in cacao, a component of dark chocolate. According to the AHA, flavonoids might assist in lowering blood pressure. It does point out that a person might not be able to eat enough flavonoids from dark chocolate for it to have significant advantages. According to the AHA, a modest quantity of chocolate every so often can be a healthy addition to a diet. However, it suggests that people eat it for enjoyment rather than for health. Blueberries. Blueberries are simply brilliant when it comes to nutrition. They've got anthocyanins, those blood vessel helping antioxidants. Those antioxidants give the berries their dark blue color. Blueberries also have fiber and more than a handful of other great nutrients. Add fresh or dried blueberries to cereal, pancakes, or yogurt. Interesting fact. Did you know that the most number of heart attacks occur each year on Christmas Day? The day after Christmas and New Year's Day are close behind. In addition, more heart attacks happen on a Monday than any other day of the week. Please continue watching for the conclusion of Natalie's true story. Now, let's continue with the foods that keep your heart and blood vessels healthy. Cherries. Sweet cherries, sour cherries, dried cherries, and cherry juice are all healthy. They are packed with an antioxidants called anthocyanins. They're believed to help protect blood vessels. Swiss chard. This dark green, leafy vegetable is rich in potassium and magnesium. These minerals help control blood pressure. Swiss chard also has heart-healthy fiber, vitamin A, and the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin. Try serving it with grilled meats or as a bed for fish. Now, for the conclusion of Natalie's story. Natalie previously had open heart surgery after doctors found a hole in her heart.
I went back to see my cardiologist and he said it was probably just scar tissue from my surgery. And that the shortness of breath was probably because I was unfit and I should do more exercise. I really tried to push myself, but over the next 10 years, I continued to get more and more breathless. Doctors kept telling me, "You're unfit, do more exercise." In 2010, I went for my yearly cardiologist appointment and saw a new doctor. It was pure luck that he had studied under Dr. David Sellermajer, a specialist in this field, so he recognized my symptoms. He referred me to Dr. Sellermajer, who discovered I had several pulmonary embolisms that had calcified in my lungs and caused really big blockages. They were severely affecting my breathing and putting extra stress on my heart. Suddenly, having a family was completely off the table. Dr. Sellermajer told me my body wouldn't take it. That was really tough. My friends and my sister were having babies, and I couldn't.
Thankfully, a treatment has been developed for Natalie's deadly condition. 3 years after her terrifying diagnosis, she was able to have a complex surgery to remove the clots from her lungs. After the surgery, for the first time in years, Natalie could breathe again. Even more life-changing for Natalie has been having her dream of becoming a mother come true. In the middle of the pandemic, she gave birth to a beautiful baby girl who has given her a new focus in life. In summary, as new evidence emerges, the link between diet and heart disease grows stronger. What you eat can influence almost every aspect of heart health, from blood pressure and inflammation to cholesterol levels and triglycerides. Including these heart-healthy foods as part of a nutritious, well-balanced diet can help keep your heart in good shape and minimize your risk of heart disease. If you found this video beneficial, then please watch the next video, Top 9 Foods to Help Lower Your Blood Pressure Immediately. Remember to please like, share and subscribe so we can make more videos to share with you. Don't forget to leave a comment and see you at the next video. Goodbye for now.